Did you know the man who won the 1982 World Cup Golden Boot almost wasn't allowed to play at all? Paolo Rossi had been banned from football for 2 years after a match-fixing scandal. When he came back, he hadn't played a competitive match in so long that Italy's own fans weren't sure he should even be on the plane to Spain. He was rusty. He was quiet. In Italy's first 3 games, he scored 0 goals. Then came Brazil, one of the greatest teams ever assembled. A squad so good that most people thought Italy had no chance. Rossi scored a hat trick. Italy won 3-2. The world stopped. He then scored twice against Poland in the semifinal. He scored again in the final against West Germany. 6 goals in 5 games. Golden Boot. World champions. Here is what makes this story different from every other comeback story. He wasn't just forgiven by the sport. He became the reason Italy won it. The man they almost left behind carried them all the way home.